Drop a luxury SUV from a 6-story building, then crush it with the weight of a commercial tank. That is exactly what just happened to the 2026 Voyah Taishan X8. But the real shock? What happened to the battery? You've seen standard automotive crash tests before. A car hits a barrier at 40 miles per hour, some airbags pop, and a bunch of engineers in white coats nod approvingly at a clipboard. Boring. Today we are looking at engineering pushed to the absolute edge of sanity. No compromises, no standard government protocols, just raw, catastrophic force. We are talking about a 20-meter vertical freefall, followed immediately by a devastating 23-ton structural impact. But before I show you the exact moment this vehicle slams into the concrete, you need to understand exactly what we are trying to destroy. Meet the Voyah Taishan X8. Launched just days ago in May 2026, this isn't some cheap commuter car. This is Dongfeng's new crown jewel, a premium tech-loaded 5-seater SUV designed to rival the absolute best luxury cars on Earth. Starting around $43,000, it packs up to 657 horsepower, 1,500 kilometers of hybrid range, and features Huawei's massive new Qiankun smart driving system. It's got dual 15.6-inch screens, an onboard refrigerator, 29 speakers, and mechanical massage seats. It's essentially a first-class lounge on wheels. But none of that luxury matters if the structural integrity folds like a cheap lawn chair under pressure. So, Voyah asked a terrifying question. What happens when you subject this multi-ton tech lounge to the violent physics of a 20-meter vertical drop? Think about the sheer momentum here. 20 meters is roughly 65 feet. When a vehicle weighing over 2.5 tons free falls from that altitude, it hits the ground traveling straight down at highway speeds. Standard crash tests measure horizontal impact because cars are engineered to crumple forward and backward. But vertical drops, that sends the kinetic shockwave straight through the chassis, violently attacking the suspension and the battery pack. I'll reveal the exact condition of the battery cell later in this video, and trust me, if you own an EV, you're going to want to hear this. First, let's talk about the drop itself. The Taishan X8 is built on Voyah's new Qingyuan Platform 2.0. It features a high-tech 3-chamber air suspension system and EDC Magic Carpet damping. Normally, that suspension is just designed to make speed bumps feel like soft clouds. But in a 20-meter drop, that double wishbone front and 5-link rear suspension becomes the only thing standing between the passenger cabin and total mechanical annihilation. When it hits the ground, the force is astronomical. The suspension bottoms out instantly. You would logically expect the wheels to snap off, the axles to shatter, and the floor pan to violently warp. But the Taishan X8 doesn't disintegrate. The shock towers hold their ground. The geometry of the power cell frame successfully absorbs the kinetic spike. Astonishingly, the doors, which usually jam permanently shut in a severe structural warp, can still be opened effortlessly, but gravity was only round 1, because next we have the 23-ton impact. To put 23 tons into perspective, that is the equivalent of stacking nearly 8 of these identical SUVs directly on top of the roof. Standard global safety regulations mandate that a car's roof must withstand about 3 to 4 times its own weight to protect passengers during a rollover. Voyah decided to double that standard, then add some extra weight just for fun. They dropped 23 tons of crushing force straight onto the roofline of the Taishan X8. You'd expect the A-pillars to snap like dry twigs. You'd expect the panoramic sunroof to explode into a million pieces, and the cabin to be completely flattened. But here's where the ultra-high-strength, hot-stamped steel comes into play. The body structure of the Taishan X8 acts as an absolute fortress. Under 23 tons of immense pressure, the A, B, and C pillars bow slightly, but they do not break. The survival space inside the cabin is fully maintained. Even the Huawei 896-channel LiDAR mounted on the roof didn't punch through the ceiling. If you were sitting inside that car, you would still be breathing. But remember that open loop from earlier? The battery? Here's the terrifying thing about electric vehicles. The biggest danger in a catastrophic crash isn't just the impact itself, it's thermal runaway. The Taishan X8 houses a massive 800-volt, ultra-fast charging battery pack right in the floor pan. In a massive vertical drop followed by a chassis-bending roof crush, the geometry of that battery housing is placed under immense, twisting stress. If those lithium cells puncture, you get an uncontrollable chemical fire. Yet, when the dust finally settled from the 20-meter jump and the 23-ton crush, the telemetry data showed something genuinely incredible. The battery pack remained completely intact. No smoke, no fire, no voltage leakage. The structural ring surrounding the battery pack absorbed the kinetic energy perfectly, keeping the volatile cells entirely isolated from the trauma. This isn't just a massive win for Chinese engineering, it's a giant leap forward for global EV safety standards. The Voyah Taishan X8 just proved that the cars of 2026 aren't just getting incredibly smart, they're becoming nearly indestructible. If this is what standard luxury looks like now, the competition should be terrified.